What was that? I'll go.
Or landmine.
I was gonna say I'll go in there, but then I saw what was at the door.
Yeah, just careful. Yes. Oh my god. Okay, I think we need to fully follow up.
Yeah.
Oh, there's an egg. Oh. Sorry.
Ha.
It's dirty. Oh, I can't see something. Ooh. Oh my god, I got a friend right on.
You scared the hell out of me.